Join me for a day of homemaking in the kitchen as we prioritize healthy meals from scratch. Welcome back to Simple Sacred Home. My name is Paige, and in today's video we are sticking to the kitchen, and I wanted to talk about prioritizing healthy meals. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a wife who works full-time in corporate America, and I'm also trying to develop my homemaking skills. And so something that I found is that meals are very low and have been very low on my priority list. When I think of going to work for the day, coming home at the end of the day, I have things that I want to get done around the home, and it usually revolves around cleaning and organizing, picking up, those kind of things. But within the last year, I have been looking more closely at meals from scratch. I've started to cook a little bit more this year, and I started making sourdough bread, seeing how easy bread making can be, and that has really allowed me to branch out and want to try new recipes and cooking from scratch as often as possible. But like I said, because I work full-time in corporate America, my time is limited in the home, and so there is a lot to get done while I'm here. What I've realized is that whatever I want to be a priority is what will get done, and I'm in a place where cooking real whole foods with healthy ingredients, real ingredients, not all the processed stuff, is really important to me and to my family. And so that is something that I want to start working much more diligently to achieve. If you work full-time or even part-time, or you have little kids running around, it can be easy to choose convenience over those healthy options. And we all do the best that we can, but something for me that I found is my dinners were usually pretty healthy, but during the work days, during the work week, my breakfast and lunch could be very unhealthy, and I would always choose convenience over high quality foods. So that is something that we're working on to change. And in this video, I'm making a variety of different things. I fed my sourdough starter so that I could make some bread over the weekend. So on Friday night, I like to pull my starter out of the fridge, let it sit top of the fridge for a couple hours just to get it back to room temp. And then I start to feed that so that on Saturday morning I can wake up and start making bread. And then I usually will bake it on Sunday morning. Another thing that I did this particular day was I made some egg salad. So I saw our mysweetsunnydays, I believe is her YouTube name. She made egg salad in her video last week, and it just made me want egg salad so badly. And I love egg salad, and I find myself struggling to get protein in. So I thought making egg salad would be a great way to get in some protein, but also it's super easy, great way to use eggs, and very minimal ingredients, but super filling, super yummy. So I made some egg salad, and I also made pickled onions for the egg salad as well. So now I have a whole mason jar full of pickled onions in the fridge, so those will last for weeks to come. And I also have egg salad, which has been perfect for lunches or a quick dinner if you need it. And then I also made these protein oatmeal balls or bites. I make these pretty regularly, but they just have honey, peanut butter. I like to put chia seeds, rolled oats. I add some protein powder. This time I added some coconut flakes and cinnamon, a little bit of salt, and they're super yummy. These are great for on the go, so if you have to leave in the morning for work, or you're running errands for the day and you need something quick, they're a great option. I like to pair those with some fruit. They keep you full for a good amount of time. I also forgot to mention that there's a little bit of vegan chocolate chips since my husband can't have dairy. They're super filling and really delicious and just a great, easy on-the-go item. Better than grabbing just a granola bar that you can find at the grocery store. A lot of them have extra additives and things in them that you don't need. And these are great because you can really customize them to have exactly what you want in them. So you could add nuts in there, you could add dates, you can really make them whatever you want them to be. If you're limited on time when it comes to meal prep, another great thing to do is to clean as you go. For me personally, I tend to be the type to pull everything out, make everything, and then deal with the aftermath later. But trying to be much better about this, cleaning as I go. If I pull something out, put it back right away. If I make some dishes, try to get those done right away, and it'll make your amount of time in the kitchen a lot shorter, and you won't feel like you're spending your entire day just meal prepping and working on meals all day. So if high quality meals are a priority to you, you're going to have to make the time to make them, obviously. And so really what I'm trying to do here is start to get in the habit of taking some time out of my week, whether it be an hour or two during the week or a couple hours on the weekend, and plan some meals that I can make in bulk, in batches, that I can have throughout the week. So something like the egg salad is going to last me. It's going to make multiple sandwiches. Like I said, it's a great lunch or light dinner option. I can take it with me to work. I can have it at home, and it didn't take very long to make at all. So that little bit of effort up front now is going to take me into the whole week, which is awesome. This was the following day, so I did the egg salad and the pickled onions and the protein balls one day, and on the following day I made this quinoa salad. I also wanted to make guacamole and salsa and hummus, but my avocados were not ripe enough yet, so I only had one good avocado, which I used in the quinoa salad, and I still had some salsa, so I didn't need salsa yet. So next on my list, once the avocados are ripe enough, is to make homemade guacamole, and I'm going to be trying homemade hummus, which I'll let you guys know how those go. This quinoa salad recipe I found about 3 or 4 years ago, and I love it. This is a cold version, which is great for the summertime, the warmer season, because it's light, it's cold, it's perfect for taking to a cookout or a gathering of some sort, especially in the summer. It's light, so if you don't want to be cooking on the stove as it gets warmer and it's hot in the home, this is a great option. The quinoa does get cooked on top of the stove, but everything else is cool, which is really great. Super filling, tons of veggies. It has quinoa, black beans, cilantro, corn, bell peppers, onions, so many amazing, delicious ingredients. It keeps you super full, but you don't feel heavy from it, and just all amazing ingredients. You add this little dressing on it, which is just avocado oil and lime juice, and then some cumin, salt, pepper. It's so good. The other thing that I did this weekend for meal prep as well is I prepped my fruit. So I actually went to TJ Maxx and I got these storage containers for in the fridge. They're just these acrylic storage containers. You could use whatever you have lying around. I didn't have anything specific that I could stack on top of each other, so that's why I did opt to go grab these. But I got this set of 3 clear acrylic containers for $12.99, which I think is a great deal. I washed all my fruit, so I have grapes, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. I took the time to wash all my fruit. I dried it all off and I put them in these containers, and then I also had another container where I put some carrots in. This is key for me during the week because what do I want to do? I want to snack on unhealthy options. So by having the fruit there, I don't have to cut it up. I don't have to worry about washing it. I can literally just put it in a container, take it with me to work, or I can put it in a bowl and eat it at home, which is a great option, and it'll help you avoid convenience over healthy options. So I hope this video is just an encouragement to you if you find yourself struggling with eating whole foods, to take a few hours out of your week here and there. It doesn't have to be in one shot, and make some great options that will last you throughout the week, that you can take to work, that you can have easily when you get home, and enjoy those really whole ingredient foods. It's definitely worth it, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next Monday for another one.